Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to look at this problem. ABCD is a door. Okay, 1 meter wide, 2 meter tall, hinge along AB and it opens by 38 degrees. Okay. Find the distance CE. Now, it is important to look at this blue color triangle, which I'm going to indicate or at least sketch it out here. And because this is a rectangular door, AD is 1 meter wide, BC is also 1 meter. And because we are opening this door, what do you think the length of BE is? Yes, it's also 1 meter. It is the door, it's just opening. And once we have this configuration, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, and this is the angle given. And they ask us to find CE. What rule should we use, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, cosine rule. 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 times 1 times 1 cosine 38 degree. Square root to give me a value of 0.65 114 to 5 SF 0.651 meter 3 SF. Next question, to find the length of AE. Then we will have to look at this triangle ABE. And because it is a rectangular door, right? So for part B, right, we are essentially looking at the diagonal of a rectangle. If you realize. So this is a 90 degree. AB is 2. BE is 1. Yes, Pythagoras theorem. So AE is equals to 2 square plus 1 square. The square root of this, which is equals to square root 5, which is equals to 2.24 meter to 3 SF. And angle ACAE. Well, if we look at this particular triangle CAE, do take note, AC is also the diagonal of the same rectangle, right? So it is also a diagonal of the door. So I'm going to draw out a triangle CAE for us to see. So I will have A, E, and C. And they want us to find this angle. Bearing in mind that we already know this is square root 5 from here. And AE and AC are actually the same length. And I also already know from part A, this is 0.65114. Given 3 sides, find one angle. What rule? Bingo! It is cosine rule. Therefore, angle CAE is simply equals to the cosine inverse of square root 5 square plus square root 5 again square minus 0.65114 square over 2 times square root 5, square root 5. So do take note, this is the square root 5 is here. And this will give me a value of, and this will give us 16.744. 16.7 degrees to 1 decimal place. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.